welcome back to another AutoCount Payroll tutorial video. It's me, Mia, from Excel Software Solutions in Hack. So in this video, I will guide you step by step on how to do the approval setting. Okay, so I will provide you few scenarios. In our system, you can choose either you want to set the approval setting by department or by organization chart. Okay, and also we also can assign either the approval is by flat flow or by sequential flow. So what is the difference between flat and sequential is, if let's say, if I want to apply leave, okay, you need two approval to receive the approval request on the same time. Okay, but for sequential, if let's say the employee submit for approval request, after the first level approve, only the second level will receive the approval request. So that's the difference between flat and sequential flow. Okay, and also for all the approval requests, the approval will receive the notifications through the websites or through the apps. Now let us move on to our payroll system. Okay, so to go to the approval setting, you go to tools and then choose approval setting. Okay, so you can see here we have by department. Okay, leave, claim, and time attendance approval will be based on employees department, or you can use the by organization chart. So you only can choose either one. Okay, so now I show you by department first. Okay, so here are the create few types of approvers for claim, leave, and also OT. Okay, let us see for claim. So for claim, you can set range of amount. So let's say the claim from 0 to 100. Okay, the approver is this user. So you can set like this. Okay, 0 to 100. Okay, but let's say from 100 to 500, you need to create another claim lah. Okay, another approver group. 100 to 500 approver is another user. So you can set like this. Okay, so here you can see we have flat approval and also sequential approval. Okay, so let's say both approver can receive the approval request at the same time, you choose flat approval. But if let's say after the first level approve, only the second level of the approver can see the approval request, you can choose sequential approval. Okay, so this one you can choose which department lah for this claim approval group. Okay, and then we also can set for leave. Okay, for leave request. Okay, so let's say from range day of 0 to 10. Okay, let's say you need 2 approval. So after these 2 approval approve the leave, only the employee entitled for that leave application lah. Okay, so same goes for OT lah. Okay, so this is how you want to set by department. Okay, so now let me show you by organization chart. Okay, so by organization chart, I already create one chart. Okay, you can edit the chart over here. Okay, so in this chart, you also can assign all the leave, claim, and time attendance in here. Okay, so let's see for my leave. Okay, I need 2 approval. Okay, let's say in my organization chart, I have, okay, you can see over here, I have this level is the staff level. Okay, the lowest one is the staff level. And then the second one is the head of department level. Okay, and then let's say this one is the director. Mr. Ang is the director. Okay, so let's say for this staff, when they want to apply leave, they need 2 approval. This one I put 2 approval. Okay, let's say I put it as sequential. Okay, so if I put as sequential, after the first level, after Hassan or Rose approve, only the Mr. Ang will receive the approval request. After Mr. Ang approve, only the leave application is approved lah. Okay, so let's say for Hassan and Rose, okay, because this one we already setting require to approval, right? So it's applied to all employee. Okay, but let's say for Hassan and Rose, they only have one level above them. Okay, so they just require one approval from the director. So you can right click the Hassan over here. You can change the leave setting. Okay, you can add a personalized leave setting for this approval. So let's say for 0 until 999. require approval only 1. Okay, so that for Hassan and Rose, they just require 1 approval lah, like that. Okay, so this is if you want to use the approval chart. If let's say Fatin, okay, you want to update the chart. Fatin now already become the manager or head of department. Okay, you can pull it under Mr. Ang. So now you can see Fatin is the same level as Hassan and Rose. Okay, so you can simply drag the person to assign the organization chart. Okay, so this one is also same apply to claim and also attendance. Okay, if you wish to have a different organization chart for leave and claim, you can for time attendance and claim, you can untick this one. And then after save, you can add new another organization chart, maybe for claim. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can write down at the comment section below or contact our support team. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Bye.